Okay, we've got two furnaces here we're looking at where we'll be replacing through the DTE program. We got furnace A and furnace C. Both furnaces are identical. We've got two existing vents on each plenum to get rid of the heat because of the lack of ductwork here. But I'll show you this here, and there's a couple things I want to bring up. I'll show you the back of these furnaces, furnace A and then furnace C. Leaving the filters in the way they are. We're going to do two things. We're going to leave the new single stage thermostats in this room by the furnaces. And we're going to leave these two used condensate pumps in here. So be sure to leave the condensate pumps in this room and the new thermostats. Two Pro 1 single stage thermostats. Now we're going to try to squeeze in here. And there's the other condensate pump. Venting's all done. Looks good. About a 2-foot work area in front of the furnace, but this is the way they want them to stay. We got the new gas valve. If after you run your startup, you need to block some of these off, go ahead and block some of these off. We just did this because when I did my calculation, I just thought for what was here, these furnaces needed some more air. This has been running for a long time for a little apartment. But electrical is good. The homeowner said it's grounded on its own circuit. So if not, the homeowner is responsible for that. You guys can open that up and take a look if you want, just to make sure. I think I already did. He said it was already set. Going to be a tight fit, so you guys are going to get to know each other, whoever you're working with. You guys will be buddies when you're done here. New gas valve there as well. So in addition, we're inspecting the water heaters and the venting for the water heaters. Now I do see these gas valves are bad and should be replaced. But those are things that they're looking to have identified, okay? Also, when I looked at this venting, the venting looks okay. Let me show you this. I think this one isn't sloped correctly. It doesn't have a good enough slope. So if you can just come in and cut some of that off to change that slope a little bit, that probably would be good. I think we should just do that at no additional cost. So let's fix that vent just to make it slope correctly. Now it all feeds in to this here. Goes into this 4-inch. Everything looks good to me. Then we come over here and it comes back into a chimney liner. So right in here, that's the vent right there. There's your whatever, and then your chimney liner back there. So this, to me, looks all good, but I'll let you guys figure that out. So I just wanted to give you some advance notice on that. I don't know, this kind of looks, right there looks low as well. So we may need to, if we can adjust that, make some minor adjustments to that at no additional cost, that would be great. And if we do make the adjustments, make a statement on the inspection sheet, because he wants that detailed inspection sheet for the water heaters and for the furnaces, our startup. And if we could take a picture of that startup for each one of these when we're done, so we can email it to them as well as leave it here, that would be great. We'll need 2 information holders. Show you where the electrical panels are. Electrical panels are right here. So to go ahead. So to get in, you're gonna probably try to park over there if you can. This is a vacant house here. Park over there if you can. Hopefully the driveway will be plowed okay. You come around the back of the house. The key we have opens up this door. And you get in the basement. And then the combination opens up this lock right here. And again, leave these old condensate pumps in here and the thermostats in this room right here.